Hey guys, MasterAxGaming here. Welcome to the Trash Audio area. I'm here with Selena Gomez and my girlfriend.
Taylor Swift. In case you didn't know.
Right, so you remember her from the Oculus Quest 2, whatever. The video is up here somewhere in the corner. And today we're gonna go do that Lego. It's crazy. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so they can open the box and let's see what's inside. Ooh. Whoa, okay. I hate this already. It's gonna be a long night. What? Don't show me that. That's ew. What was that for? We just unpacked number 1, and those are the pieces. Literally,
Much of mine.
pretty much a mess. Let's see the instructions. Why am I the one filming this? See, it's good that we got my stepsister to help us because she's already amazing.
Done. Take one. Nice like
this one.
See, guys, I don't even need to do anything. Okay. They're already working on it.
Wait.
I better start doing it. Anything. I'll be back shortly. Okay. Apparently, we also need a number 4 for this. Maybe. Hold on.
What the?
What is that? What are you doing?
Wait, I've made one, I think. Oh no, I didn't.
All right.
Another brown.
This is gonna be a nightmare.
We need another brown.
Look at her face.
Oh, bloody fuck is he?
She's not even blinking. Look at her. In the meantime, my stepsister, she's like, perfect. And I'm like this. I'm proud of myself. Yes, I'm very proud of myself. It's been a long day. My brother had his birthday, and we're back from the party just to do this episode for you guys. So leave a damn like. I will appreciate it. It will have me, the channel, and everybody else.
Annie.
Okay, let's see if it syncs. This will be the test of the ship. If the ship gets bigger, we're gonna increase it. Hey, it doesn't sing. Look at that.
It's quite sinking.
Hey, no, it's standing. Okay, let go. Good job. All right, moving on. Oh, don't show me that one. Okay, good. That's it. Okay, it's fine. That's all right. Perfect. Yes. Fantastic. Let's check it out if it syncs or not. So, does it sync? Try it.
No.
Try it.
Flat.
Hey, it doesn't
Wait.
sync actually.
Is this?
I'm gonna make waves.
Yes. Hey, it doesn't sync. It's fine. It's okay. They're they're still alive.
They're not alive.
Put it the other way
I'm pretty
around.
sure
Put it the other way around. As in, maybe, yeah, perfect. They're definitely alive. Okay, we're fine. It doesn't sink down. Good. Lego, still good. Let's continue now. We just noticed that if we put water next to it and we keep trying, we are actually making the book wet somehow. So that doesn't help us. I guess this is a harder challenge for us. Okay, the pieces are becoming less and less and less. This is
For one packet.
This is the fun in Lego, but looking back in there, I don't really want to say how much time this is gonna take us. Yeah, as in...
Like the water.
I can't wait for the water part. Perfect. And now is your time.
No.
Alright, so my stepsister wanted to try and see if it synced. And guess what? It didn't. But now we just got more water.
It still does.
It still turns around because it's uneven. Thank you.
Ah, not the book.
Not the book. Oh no.
But Alex, yeah.
Alright, so we reached a stage where the board actually does look like a board. And my stepsister wants to see if it sync. So let's see. Bianca, will it sync?
Wait.
Wait. Okay, what
Patience, please.
are they doing? I think they're complotting against me.
No.
Yeah, you're gonna time.
Okay, will it sync?
Hopefully not.
Hey! Everybody is surviving on board. That's perfect. Until the storm hits, but that's perfect. That's fantastic.
The storm.
Never mind. Okay,
Okay,
they all
the
died.
storm.
Alright. The storm hit, they all died. Okay.
Can you do some water here?
Hey, yeah, yes. This is the water. Perfect. That's nice. It looks much better now.
Touch in the middle.
Touch it. Yes, just touch it. Perfect.
Are we doing the flags now?
Perfect. So we reached this very cool point in which we created an army of cannons, and it's very cool to see them in action. And
In action? Do you
yes.
mean in action? They're not doing anything, they're dead.
we're gonna make them happen.
Okay.
They're gonna throw flags
Yeah,
or
sure.
or aircrafts. I don't know. So now right now the ball looks like a jet with an aircraft tail at the front, and I'm pretty sure I broke something.
Yeah, you did.
Oops. Alright, so my stepsister decided to eat something. Eat it. Good. And this is how it looks so far. We have upgraded our ship with a bunch of nonsense. And she's doing all the hard job while my stepsister is eating and I'm drinking some juice. And yeah, just thumbs up for Becky's hard work. Good job, Pikachu. Look at her, she's so serious, she doesn't even blink. Alright, let's go back into the video. Let's see, the precision.
Oh, I think I did something stupid.
The precision. You done something stupid?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Okay, we have finished the board part. Ignore the pieces in the background or the madness over there or the madness over there and the rest. But this is the board. Literally. Let's see. Will it sink? Let's have a look. The board is coming. It will make a jump in the water slowly and steady. We need a bigger ball. Upgrade. Alright. Let's see. Will it make the jump? They all died. Okay, let's see. Will it stay straight?
Oh no. No.
This is a disaster. This is a disaster.
Please float. Stay afloat.
It's so floating.
Don't sink.
I think there's a lot of water in there.
Maybe he wants to be a submarine.
No, it's not possible.
We just unpack the number at the Q5, I think, and this is how it looks. And they don't have any problem with it, which is suspicious because I can't understand what I'm looking
You
at.
know how? Look.
I made one.
Alright, so Legos say that this board can actually float. But what we've done wrong, we used the wrong water. We're supposed to use the Lego water. So
That's not a good.
now with this water, the board should stay at the surface. If it's not dying on the process, of course. Yeah, so... Oh, now it's floating. Okay, it works, Becky. Look at that, it works. It's... Even in a storm, see, it's standing alive. That is perfect, it's floating. So, good job, Lego. You make it work. Alright, so my girlfriend is very into this. She's not even breathing properly right now. So she's so focused into this. Did you just look at me weird? Wow.
No.
Okay, and in the meantime, In the my stepsister, she's doing something to her iPhone. I think she wants a cover of this glass-looking Lego thing. So it's pretty criminal.
It's really nice.
Right. What will happen if we mix the water with real water and try the blood on top of it? So stay tuned for that later in this episode. Here's something very cool that Rebecca did while me and my stepsister were sleeping. So you can see this reconstruction, and now literally it's identical to what she's done, and I find this very amazing. It's just very satisfying to see the masterpiece in person. That was good. Thumbs up for that. Good. Hey guys, I don't even know if I'm being seen by the camera right now, but it's a new day and we're gonna continue making the Lego. Ow. I think that hurt inside.
Oh no.
Well, you know, I'm still together with my girlfriend and my sister. And it's still alive. What? I thought this is the sea, man. Okay, now that we've done more of the nonsense transparency stuff, she's gonna unite the pieces and hopefully we're gonna leave. What are you doing?
Just looking.
Suspicious? Yes. That was somehow satisfying.
I did that.
But we still have. Oh
I
yeah.
did that.
We need
I
just
separated them from here.
just leave a like because my stepsister actually managed to do this. But I still have my questions. What is this? Okay, this is why you read instructions when you do Lego. Apparently, that orange piece over there that you're watching right now, it's used to remove other pieces with ease instead of breaking your nails into the corners and such. But silly us that we didn't actually pay attention to the first pages of the instruction book. We didn't see that. Well, that answers your question. What is that orange piece? Well, see you in the next video. Whew. Answer me. What? No. The ship is still floating. Oh God. You broke it with the wind. It's a very unstable piece of art because this is collection, so it's not supposed to move too much. Okay? And they could have done a better work.
Under moonlit sky, I'm desperate to feel more alive, alive. Dreams that keep me wide awake. Call me up out of the
Is it with the orange one?
Suffocated by sorrow, my bones start to disconnect. My soul becomes hollow. In the endless night, I'm desperate to feel more alive.
Okay. And we have this. What is this?
Two damn things again.
You gotta be joking me.
I'm not joking.
Oh my God. guys, sorry. It appears that our camera died while we were working on this, and it did fit. So, to our surprise, there were two tiny windows at the top, and they're covering right where it doesn't fit, technically. It's pretty cool looking. It's like a bucket thing. Never seen this before. It's going to space. Alright, I'll pull it off and let's continue the work.
In the moonlit sky, desperate to feel more alive. Dreams that keep me wide awake.
Oh my god, this is a good one.
She's quite enjoying this. Look at her smile. Yeah, she's enjoying this. She's doing with her eyes closed. What is this? My girlfriend is like, you missed.
No.
That's
Okay,
like
let's make it rain
Oh, no.
and then put that back.
Yeah, okay, fine.
It looks so easy on that.
because they put on the edges here.
Yeah, the first flag is not protected. Yo, hold on. Let's stop the time lapse over here. Look at how swag that thing looks. Aww. Yo, get a room. Okay, so we're trying to see if this thing can hold water. Let's give it a test. And this is us. And let's have a look.
Wow.
Hey, it's holding pretty well, to be honest.
No, it's not.
Yes, it's holding well. Look at that. That's all the vine possibly going down the hill. You don't drink that. Wow. This is nice.
No, it's not. It's not nice.
Alright, fine. Yes, the baby tissue. Alright, let's continue the work. Hey Becky, what are you doing, Becky? You okay? Extending your legs? Oh, let's do this.
You sure? Can I try?
Tastes like COVID-19. Yeah? I'm reading instructions. Hold on, let me read for a bit. Let me read. I didn't get it. There we go. Oh! Then what do we need next?
What? 2 flat squares chocolate.
2 flat squares.
The flat ones, like these smooth ones.
We need 2 of them. Done.
Okay,
So?
then you connect to the back hook.
Which way?
So, yeah, there it goes to that way.
Okay. We took a tiny break because the phone was overheating.
We'll show you in the clip.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Oh, is this one over here? Oh my god. I never noticed
Show the
that.
camera.
Do it. Do it, sister. Do it, sis. You can do it.
Girl. There.
Oh, she did it.
Mm.
Awesome. Good job.
Now on the other side. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, but
Eh, oh, flat 8.
8. Yeah.
Flat 8. You
Okay.
circle.
That's my fault because of.
Jesus. Alright.
That's nice.
Okay.
One more.
Looks so nice.
One more.
It has to be like this one.
Yeah, one more. So, again with the 6th one.
Where are we?
Alright, so we had to stop again because of the temperature being too high.
Sorry,
So
guys.
another break, and this is how it looks now. They're like 2 floating balls. Now we need what do we need?
This on top.
The bottle itself.
Yeah.
Oh, just like that.
On top of it, like this. Okay, that's it.
You should put it the other way. No, that should be this way.
Isn't it? Is it over?
Yeah, it's over.
It's over!
Ah! Wait, what?
What is this?
I don't know. What is this for?
What is that?
What is this for?
What is We've been through all the book and it doesn't explain what is that. You look there, I look here.
Okay.
Looking through the book now to find
It's
out.
here.
It is there, but I don't get it. Oh.
Oh!
This thing helps you
We keep it.
This thing helps you take pieces out. This is
We need to keep it.
This is a piece removal tool. And we found out about it at the end of this thing.
Can we take something?
So if we take this one out, and you try to take this one out, because it's very hard to get this thing out. As in...
And should be like,
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, wow.
Okay, very handy. That's very
Okay.
handy. Alright, so that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is it. At least we found out what the heck is that piece over there. And yeah, that's how it looks. Pretty much we're destroyed. My phone is 12%. We shot this for how many hours? How many hours have we spent doing this? I think 6 hours? 5 hours? 5 hours or 6 hours? 5 hours, yeah.
Nearly 6 hours.
Yeah. I'll have to find a way to fix that book. Perfect. Alright.
I don't feel my back.
See you guys in the next episode.
Goodbye.
Whenever my sister wants to close the video.
Na 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 na.
Whenever she's ready. She's doing the credits. She's doing the credits, guys. Don't make any song.
No copyright song. Wah!
What is this?
Okay, bye.
is heaven. I totally didn't fart in the bathroom. You're not recording, are you?
No.
Okay.
But please open the window. Say hi to Hennessy. It's gonna look like this one. He's gonna get older.
Show it to them. Show it to them. This is
This is Hennessy.
Hennessy now, and when he grows up, he's gonna look
He's
like
gonna
that.
look like that.